Rayo Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region YouTube channel. We will study through the video series every day, the different subjects. Staying at home, be safe, learn and understand the concept and revise at home. 8th Standard Scholarship, Subject English, Unit 1, Vocabulary. Today we are going to learn Lesson number 6, Contextual Meaning of Words, 7, Forming Words Using Given Clues, 8, Abbreviation. 6. Contextual meaning of words. The word contextual means depending on the context. The surroundings words, phrases and paragraphs of the writing. Most words and expressions have more than one meaning. We have to look at the context and then understand the meaning. A word may have one meaning in one context and a completely different one in another context. Such words are called homonyms. Example, fair. 1. We went to the yearly fair and had a wonderful time. Fair, fun fair. 2. Is it fair that she gets the best of everything? Fair, right or just? 3. The day was fair, so we went for a picnic. Fair, clear, without rain, clouds or snow. 4. She was a pretty girl with a fair complexion. Fair, light-colored skin. Sometimes, expression too can have different meanings from what the individual's words imply. These are called idioms. Example, at a stone's throw. His stones was at stone's throw from his office. It means his house was at a short distance from his office, not that one could throw a stone at it. Questions. Question number 1. Choose the contextual meaning of the underlined word. Please pack some warm clothes for your forthcoming trip. Option number 1. To wind up or complete something. 2. Fill a bag with clothes and other items. 3. Something can carry on your bag. 4. A group of wools. Explanation. In this context, where travel is mentioned, pack means to fill a bag with clothes. Hence, option number 2 is the answer. 2. She has been told to eat a date every day. Option number 1, a day of the year. 2, a fruit. 3, a social appointment. 4, a day of the week. Explanation. In this context, where date is mentioned, date means a fruit. Hence, option number 2 is the correct answer. 3. They removed the bark before they cut the tree. Option number 1, a sound made by a dog. 2, a sharp and loud order. 3, the outer covering of the trunk of a tree. 4, the rear side of a person. In this context, where bark is mentioned, bark means the outer covering of the trunk of a tree. Hence, option number 3 is the correct answer. 4. Put the fruits in a can. Option number 1, able to do something. Option number 2, a container. Option number 3, a long stick. Option number 4, a work together. Explanation. In this context, where can is mentioned, can means a container. Hence, option number 2 is the correct answer. Question number 2. Choose the contextual meaning of the underlined expression. 1. I don't see eye to eye with you on this subject. Option number 1, to look into the eyes. Option number 2, glare. Option number 3, to agree with. Option number 4, to work together. In the context, the correct option is option number 3. Hence, option number 3 is the correct answer, to agree with. 2. Temptation should always be kept at arm's length. Option number 1, avoided. Option number 2, embraced. Option number 3, to degree with. Option number 4, touched. In the context, the correct option is option number 1. Hence, option number 1 is the correct answer. 3. She smiles at us once in a blue moon. Option number 1, always. Option number 2, never. Option number 3, every time. Option number 4, very rarely. In the context, the correct option is option number 4. Hence, option number 4 is the correct answer. 7. Forming words using given clues. In this exercise, you will be given a variety of clues and you will have to find out the correct answers based on these clues. It is vocabulary exercise that will improve your word power. Question number 1. Choose the correct option to complete the relationship. 1. West is to west as weather is to dash dash. Option number 1, winter. Option number 2, pronoun. Option number 2, waiter. Option number 4, weather. West and west pronunciation are same. Weather and weather pronunciation are same. Hence, option number 4 is the correct answer. 2. Cat is to kitten as well is to dash dash. Option number 1, wingling. Option number 2, fish. Option number 3, calf. Option number 4, tadpole. Explanation. This clue is based on relationship. A kitten is the young one of a cat. So we have to find the young one of the whale. Hence, option number 3 is the correct answer. 3. Ghastly is to shocking as obstruct is to. Option number 1, obtuse. Option number 2, block. Option number 3, construct. Option number 4, allow. Ghastly and shocking are the similar meaning words. Obstruct and block are similar. Hence, option number 2 is the correct answer. Question number 2. Find out the odd man out. Option number 1. Option number 1, hourglass. Option number 2, scales. Option number sundial. Option number 4, clock. Hourglass, sundial, clock are related to clock. Hence, option number 2 is the odd words. 2. Cyclone, hurricane, breeze, storm. Breeze means a gentle wind and cyclone, hurricane and storm means a violent wind. So, breeze is the odd man out word. 3. Mars. 3. Option number 1, Mars. Option number 2, Jupiter. Option number 3, Earth. Option number 4, Moon. Mars, Jupiter and Earth are the natural planet and Moon is a natural satellite. So, Moon is the odd man out word. Question number 3. Choose 2 options that will complete each comparison. As read as dash dash. Option number 1 fire, option number 2 rose, option number 3 cherry, option number 4 anger. Out of the 4 option number 2 and 3 are the correct answers. As red as rose, as red as cherry. 2. As dash dash as a lamb. Option number 1 gentle, option number 2 quiet, option number 3 sweet, option number 4 tiny. Out of the 4 option number 1 and 2 are the correct answer. As gentle as a lamb, as quiet as a lamb. 3. As clear as dash dash. Option number 1 moon, option number 2 sun, option number 3 daylight, option number 4 crystal. Out of the 4 option number 3 and 4 are the correct answer. As clear as daylight, as clear as crystal. 4. As dash dash as a rock. Option number 1 big, option number 2 flat, option number 3 steady, option number 4 hard. Out of the 4 option number 3 and 4 are the correct answers. As steady as rock, as hard as a rock. Lesson number 8. Abbreviation. The short form of word is called an abbreviation. Sometimes full stops are used after each letter, but not frequently used abbreviations. The full stops are not used. Example, government, January. An acronym is also an abbreviation. It is formed from the first letters of words and sometimes pronounced as a word and sometimes spelled out. A few important abbreviations, acronyms. 1. AAI, Air Force Authority of India. 2. ATM, Automated Teller Machine. 3. BA, Bachelor of Arts. 4. BCCI, Board of Control for Cricket in India. 5. CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. 6. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. 7. LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. 8. PS, Postscript. 9. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. 10. PTI, Press Trust of India. Questions. Choose the correct expanded form of the given abbreviation. 1. CBI. Option number 1, Central Bureau of Investigation. 2. Criminal Bureau of Investigation. 3. Central Bureau of Investigation. 4. Central Board of Intelligence. Out of the 4 option number 1 is the correct answer. Central Bureau of Investigation. 2. NASA. Option number 1, New Aeronautics and Space Administration. 2. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. 3. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. 4. National Aeronautics and Space Association. Out of the 4 option number 2 is the correct answer. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. 3. BCCI. Option number 1, Board of Cricket Coaching of India. 2. Board of Coaching Control in India. 3. Board of Cricket Control Institute. 4. Board of Control for Cricket in India. Out of the 4 option number 4 is the correct answer. Board of Control for Cricket in India. 4. LCD, Liquid Crystal Diode. 2. Liquid Crystal Display. 3. Liquefied Crystal Display. 4. Liquefied Chromosome Display. Out of the 4 option number 2 is the correct answer. Liquid Crystal Display. Question number 2. Choose the correct abbreviations for the following. 1. Established. Option number 1 ESTB, option number 2 EST, option number 3 ESTL, option number 4 ESTS. Out of the 4 option number 2 is the correct answer. 2. Doctorate of Philosophy. Option number 1 PhD, option number 2 DOP, option number 3 DP, option number 4 POD pod. Out of the 4 option number 1 is the correct answer. PhD. 3. Indian National Satellite. Option number 1 INS, option number 2 INNS, Option number 3, INSTE. Option number 4, INSAT. Out of the 4 options, option number 4 is the correct answer, INSAT.